Welcome to Financial Literacy, where we equip you with the knowledge to make informed financial decisions. Are you unknowingly ensnared in money pitfalls that drain your wealth, anchoring you firmly within the confines of the middle class? Without realizing it, these oversights could be hampering your path to financial freedom. Many times, the root cause of financial stagnation isn't about the amount you earn, but how you manage it. By sidestepping these common mistakes, you can embark on a journey to achieve the financial lifestyle you've always envisioned. First and foremost, a lack of knowledge in your investment portfolio can be likened to driving a car blindfolded. A solid grasp on investment fundamentals is paramount. It's not just about putting your money somewhere, but understanding where it's going and its potential growth trajectory. Your investments aren't just numbers on a screen, they're the bedrock of your future financial stability. Think of them as seeds. If you plant them in fertile ground, nurture them, and regularly check on their health, they'll grow into a bountiful harvest. But neglect them, and they may wither away. Active trading can be likened to chasing the wind. While the allure of quick profits can be enticing, the reality is that most individual traders wind up losing money. Think about it. If the majority of professional traders, backed by state-of-the-art tools and research, struggle to outpace the market consistently, what chance does the average individual have? Instead of trying to outsmart the market, why not focus on long-term, stable growth? Tax planning, on the other hand, is a terrain many fear to tread, often to their detriment. But it's not about evading taxes. It's about understanding how to work within the system for your benefit. The wealthy often pay a team of experts to ensure they're not leaving money on the table come tax season. However, with a bit of education and foresight, you too can make the most of tax incentives available to you. And remember, every dollar saved in taxes is an additional dollar that can be invested to grow your wealth. But let's pause for a moment. If you're finding value in this content, do consider subscribing to Financial Literacy. It's a small action on your part, but makes a huge difference for us. Together, we can journey towards financial enlightenment. Diving back in, one crucial aspect often overlooked is adaptability. Life is dynamic, and so is the financial landscape. The economy, job market, housing sector, and even our personal lives are constantly evolving. If we remain rigid in our strategies, we risk stagnation. Sometimes, a willingness to change, be it relocating for a better job opportunity, downsizing to live within our means, or even changing careers, can spell the difference between financial mediocrity and success. Furthermore, homeownership isn't just about having a place to call your own, it's also a significant financial decision. While it's true that property values can fluctuate, historically, real estate has been a sound investment. Not to mention, owning a home provides a sense of stability and can be a source of passive income if chosen to rent out in the future. In addition, let's talk about mindset. Believing that strategies that work for others won't work for you is a self-defeating prophecy. Change starts from within. By recognizing limiting beliefs and actively challenging them, you empower yourself to take control of your financial destiny. The world of personal finance can often feel like a maze, with numerous paths to choose from. In this continuation of our in-depth exploration, we present 5 more pitfalls to be wary of and their corresponding solutions. Failing to set clear financial goals. It's often said that if you aim for nothing, you'll hit it every time. Many people drift through life without clear financial goals, reacting to circumstances rather than proactively charting their course. The remedy? Take the time to outline your short-term and long-term financial aspirations. Whether it's buying a home, retiring early, or taking that dream vacation, having clear goals will give your financial decisions purpose and direction. Ignoring the importance of an emergency fund, life is unpredictable. Car repairs, medical emergencies, or sudden job losses can be catastrophic without a safety net. An emergency fund acts as a financial buffer, ensuring that unexpected expenses don't derail your financial progress. Experts recommend saving at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a readily accessible account. Succumbing to lifestyle inflation. As you progress in your career and your earnings increase, there's a natural tendency to upgrade your lifestyle correspondingly. While there's nothing wrong with enjoying the fruits of your labor, if your expenses rise at the same rate as your income, you'll never get ahead. Instead, strive to maintain a consistent lifestyle and redirect extra income towards savings and investments. Not understanding the power of compound interest, Albert Einstein famously said, "Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it." Simply put, compound interest allows your money to grow exponentially over time. By starting to save and invest early, even in small amounts, you can leverage this powerful force to build significant wealth in the long run. Neglecting financial education. As with any skill, mastering personal finance requires continual learning. The financial landscape, with its evolving products, services, and regulations, can be complex. Regularly invest time in reading books, attending workshops, or even joining online communities dedicated to financial literacy. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the financial maze successfully. Bonus tip: not seeking professional advice. While it's essential to be educated and proactive about your finances, there's also value in seeking expert guidance. Financial advisors can provide personalized strategies, insights, and perspectives that can prove invaluable in your financial journey. Remember, you don't have to traverse this path alone. Sometimes a little expert help can make all the difference. As we wind down this extensive exploration, remember that the road to financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. It's marked by continual learning, adaptation, and growth. By recognizing and addressing these pitfalls, you place yourself in a prime position to elevate your financial game, breaking free from the constraints of the middle class and soaring to new heights. Moreover, it's essential to foster a community around you that supports and uplifts your financial aspirations. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who challenge and inspire you. Whether it's a local investment club, an online forum, or merely a group of friends with shared financial goals, having a support system can be immensely beneficial. In conclusion, while the world of personal finance can indeed be intricate, it's by no means insurmountable. By equipping yourself with knowledge, staying vigilant against common pitfalls, and maintaining a growth mindset, you can navigate this maze with confidence and panache. Thank you for sticking with us through this comprehensive guide. If you found value in this content, do us a favor and share it with friends or family who might benefit. Together, we can foster a financially literate society, one person at a time.